Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maha's Insight. Today we are going to prepare garlic milk for lactating mothers and also for toddlers or kids for cold and cough. Now let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. First, take 3 garlic cloves and roughly mince them in a mortar and pestle. Take a saucepan or a vessel. I am taking half cup milk. Boil the milk until it's frothy. Now keep the flame on low and add minced garlic cloves. Stir until the garlic is soft. Now add palm sugar and let it boil for 5 minutes. Now the garlic milk is ready. When you are giving the garlic milk for the first time to your kid, strain the garlic and give the milk alone. Now let's see what are the importance of garlic milk for lactating mothers and toddlers or kids for cold and cough. This garlic milk helps boost immunity, treat repository illness, treating food-related symptoms and digestion issues in children and adults. This is also beneficial for breastfeeding women to increase the milk supply. Now let's see when, why and how to give garlic milk for toddlers or kids. First is when and how to give this garlic milk for toddlers or kids. Garlic milk is ideal for kids from 1 year and can be given in moderation. Garlic milk can be given to the children in the morning or night before bed. When you are giving the garlic milk for the first time to your kid, strain the garlic and give the milk alone. Start with 1 or 2 small garlic for children and slowly increase the quantity based on your child's tolerance level. If your child doesn't like to chew the garlic as such, grind it and add. You can give this garlic milk once or twice a week to kids. Crush the garlic and set aside for about 5 minutes before it is added to milk, as it develops garlic's antibacterial properties. Don't boil the milk too much after adding garlic, as the high heat may kill the antibacterial properties of garlic. Now let's see what are the precautions to follow while giving garlic milk to children. Always give garlic milk in moderation for children, as the overconsumption of garlic may be harmful. You can use honey instead of palm sugar. If you are using honey, don't cook honey. Directly add to the milk after boiling. Note: garlic milk may not solve cold, cough, asthma, or other illnesses in some children, as every child is different, and what works for one may not work for others. Kindly seek doctors to help if symptoms persist for more than a week. Thank you for watching this video. I think this video was very helpful for everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook.